If you are looking into maintaining your monthly expenses, you've just clicked on the right video. As we all know, managing our finances is crucial for a stable and stress-free life, so let's just get right into it. Step 1 in maintaining your monthly expenses is to create a budget. So a budget helps you track your income and expenses, which allows you to make informed decisions about your spending habits. So start by listing all your sources of income, such as salary, freelance work, or any other regular income you receive. Next is use a budgeting software or a simple spreadsheet to categorize your expenses. So you're going to divide them into fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance, and variable expenses like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Once you have your budget in place, it's time to analyze your spending patterns. So review your expenses from the previous month and identify areas where you can cut back or make adjustments. Are there any unnecessary subscriptions or services you can cancel? Can you find cheaper alternatives for certain expenses? So be critical but realistic about your spending habits. One area where you can often save money is your grocery shopping. So plan your meals ahead of time and create a shopping list based on those meals. Stick to the list when you go to the store to avoid impulse purchases. Look for discounts, coupons, or sales to maximize your savings. Another essential aspect of maintaining your monthly expenses is to stay on top of your bills and payments. Set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you don't miss any due dates, which can lead to unnecessary late fees or penalties. Take advantage of online banking and mobile apps that offer convenient bill payment features. To further control your expenses, consider setting financial goals for yourself. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having clear goals motivates you to stick to your budget and make smarter financial choices. Decluttering your living space can also help you save money. By getting rid of things you no longer need or use, you can sell them online or at a garage sale. This extra income can go towards your savings or be used to pay off debt. Lastly, don't forget to regularly review and reassess your budget. Life circumstances and financial goals can change, so it's important to adapt your budget accordingly. So make adjustments as needed and always strive to find a balance between saving and enjoying your life. So that's it for today's video on maintaining your monthly expenses. Remember, creating a budget, analyzing your spending, and being mindful of your financial goals are key to financial success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to be alerted every time we upload. Bye!